Kaboom. Those were not actual sounds of the engine. Engine sounds were dramatized. Alright, Marvin K. Mooney. The time is now. Time to feed the cow. With this pile of pipes right here, I ought to be able to get my first pipe mocked up. See how it goes.
Some folks call me a rambling man. I do a lot of drumming and kicking cans, and it wouldn't do an ounce of good to call my name. Cause Daddy's name was Willie Woodrow, and I wasn't born and raised in no ghetto. I'm a white boy looking for a place to do my thing.
I don't know about you, but I'm starting to get excited about this. Dead level. Well, you play the lead clown. basic idea is that this will bolt there. My exhaust will come out here in front of me. My intake will be behind me. And this pipe to my left, which used to feed the intake, will feed the other turbo, which will feed the intake. Force air into the little turbo, which will force air into the engine. No idea what I'm doing, but it sure does sound cool. Oh, it spun on the clamp. My tacks did hold. Just didn't have the clamp tight enough. So I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna totally just weld it up. Then I'll put it back on. Have to make a mount to hold this pipe to give it extra support for this giant turbo. I'm gonna take a big piece of 1/4 inch steel and go right down to my old plate there, which is doing nothing at the moment, so I'll give it a job. That is the big bad wolf. He's gonna huff and puff. Don't blow my house in, you old wolf. Will it be amazing? It sure will. Alright. Big giant bulldozer turbo! This is your new home. Oh, dear Lord. If I sit here, that would work much easier. Now I gotta try and get this gasket to fit in there. All be well in hell. You dirty hole, you. Come on, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. There we go. I knew you wanted to do it. That's a tight fit. Come off, wrench. Wrench, come off. You can't stay there, wrench. There we go. All right. Whoa. Now that's a turbo. So in case you've missed it, what's happened here is my engine died, and it sort of brought me to a crossroads. Of course, I don't know if there ever was a crossroads because I'm not going to stop. Well, how do you not stop? Well, when you can't fix what you've got to find something you can work with. So what did I do? I went in the junkyard out back, and well, I found some stuff I could work with. I took a 12-valve Cummins out of an old box truck I had that was broke down. I stuffed it in here. I spent a couple of weeks stuffing it in here and making it fit and making it work, and I got it to run. And what did I do then? Instead of just being happy with myself and driving my nice truck and maybe do some easy things with it and just have a nice party out of it, well, what did I do? I went and stole a turbocharger off a bulldozer. And I'm stuffing that in here too. And this is without any advice at all. This is just a product of my own demonic imagination. I don't know. I know that if you do something like this, you're supposed to know what you're doing, and you know, have like a button-down shirt with your name on it, and you know, a sponsor on the other side, and you should like have a pencil in your ear and a laptop in front of you, and you should, well, X crosses with Y, and the fuel and the air mixed together, and then you get the boost, and don't forget your EGRs and EGTs and STDs, and the next thing you know, we'll be cruising at 55 pulling a trailer in our Cummins. Well, I've got a headache already. I don't know much, but I know this old girl's built strong. We're just gonna find out how strong it's built. I think I know what that does. It makes power and stuffs it in there. Well, that's the sort of thing we're looking for around here. We're gonna stuff the power in. I don't need a button-down shirt to do that, do I? I don't know. I have a feeling I might be crying to the camera in another day or two when nothing works. Or when I just make mincemeat out of my hardcore 12 valve. But if I know anything about myself, I'll just keep taking things apart and putting them back together again until it works. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching.